In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently take notes on Udemy courses. Whether you're a student aiming to maximize your learning, or a professional looking to enhance your skills through online courses, taking effective notes is crucial. Udemy, with its vast collection of courses, offers a built-in feature that allows you to take and save notes as you progress through your lessons. Let's dive into how you can utilize this feature to its fullest potential. First up, you need to access your Udemy account. Head over to the Udemy website and click on the login button situated at the top right corner of the page. This redirects you to the login page, where Udemy offers various methods to access your account. One of the quickest and most secure ways is to use the Google sign-in option. Click on the Google icon and it will prompt you with a list of Google accounts. Choose the one you usually use for educational platforms or the one you registered with on Udemy. This step saves time and streamlines your access, especially if you're already signed into your Google account on your device. Once you're logged in, navigating to your learning dashboard is your next step. Look for the My Learning option, also situated at the top of the page. This section is essentially the heartbeat of your Udemy learning journey. It's where all your enrolled courses are organized. From here, select the course you wish to take notes in. Courses are usually listed with their titles and thumbnail images, making them easy to find. Inside your chosen course, you'll notice several tabs and options designed to enhance your learning experience. One of these is the Notes tab, strategically placed to be easily accessible during your study sessions. Clicking on this tab will unfold the Notes interface that Udemy provides. Here's where the actual note-taking action begins. Within the Notes interface, you'll find an option to create a new note. Selecting this option brings up a text box where you can type in your notes. This can be anything from key points covered in the lecture, summaries of what you've learned, or even queries that you might want to research later. Remember, good note-taking involves summarizing information in your own words to ensure you understand the content being taught. After typing your note, the crucial final step is to save your work. There's a Save Note button available for this purpose. Clicking it not only saves your note, but also links it directly to the specific part of the lecture you are watching. This intelligent feature allows for an efficient review process, enabling you to revisit not just your notes, but also the exact moment in the lecture they correspond to. Now let's talk about a few additional tips to make your note-taking process on Udemy even more effective. Firstly, keep your notes concise and focused on key concepts. The aim is to capture the essence of what's being taught without transcribing the entire lecture. Secondly, make it a habit to review your notes regularly. This reinforces learning and helps identify areas that might need further clarification. Another helpful practice is to organize your notes in a way that makes sense to you. While Udemy does save your notes in chronological order by default, adding your personal touch or system of categorization can enhance recall and understanding. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the search functionality within the notes section. If you're revisiting a course after some time and need to find notes on a particular topic, the search feature can save you a lot of scrolling and time. To sum up, Udemy's note-taking feature is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to optimize their online learning. It's designed to be intuitive, seamlessly integrating with your course learning flow. By following the steps we've discussed today, you'll be well on your way to creating a comprehensive, easily accessible repository of notes for your Udemy courses. Make the most of it and happy learning.